know which diets are the most popular ones? Do you want to know who invented these diets? For whom is this diet, and what a full day of eating would look like? If that's the case, you are on the right channel. So let's dive into it. 1. Keto Diet, also known as ketogenic diet, is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate eating plan that aims to shift the body's metabolism into a state called ketosis, where fats are used as the primary energy source instead of carbohydrates. This metabolic state is achieved by drastically reducing carb intake and replacing it with fats. The diet was initially developed in the 1920s by Dr. Russell Wilder at the Mayo Clinic as a treatment for epilepsy and has since gained popularity for its potential weight loss and health benefits. The keto diet is typically suited for individuals seeking to lose weight, regulate blood sugar levels, or manage certain health conditions. It is also explored for its potential benefits in improving cardiovascular health and aiding those with insulin resistance. However, it's not recommended for everyone, especially those with certain medical conditions. Therefore, consulting a healthcare provider is a must. A typical day on the keto diet might include breakfast with an omelet cooked in butter with spinach and cheese, a lunch featuring a salad with grilled chicken, avocado, and olive oil dressing, and a dinner consisting of baked salmon with a side of asparagus. Snacks could include almonds or cheese slices. 2. Vegan Diet. The vegan diet is a plant-based eating plan that excludes all animal products, including meat, dairy, eggs, and honey. While avoiding animal products has been practiced for centuries by various cultures, the term vegan was officially coined in 1944 by Donald Watson, who co-founded the Vegan Society. The diet originally focused on ethical concerns about animal rights and has since expanded to address environmental sustainability and health benefits associated with plant-based eating. The vegan diet is ideal for individuals seeking to reduce their carbon footprint, advocate for animal welfare, or improve their health through plant-based nutrition. Many people choose this diet to lower the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and diabetes, thanks to its emphasis on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. However, attention is required to ensure adequate intake of nutrients typically found in animal products, like vitamin B12, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids, often requiring supplementation or fortified foods. A day on a vegan diet might start with a breakfast of oatmeal, topped with almond milk, berries, and chia seeds. Lunch could be a hearty chickpea and quinoa salad with a variety of fresh vegetables and a tahini dressing. Dinner might include a vegetable stir-fry with tofu and brown rice. Snacks may include hummus with carrot sticks or a smoothie made with spinach and banana. 3. Paleo Diet. The Paleo Diet, often referred to as the caveman diet, is based on the types of foods presumed to have been eaten by early humans during the Paleolithic era. It emphasizes consuming whole, unprocessed foods such as lean meats, fish, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, while excluding foods that became common with the advent of agriculture, like grains, legumes, and dairy. The diet was popularized by Lauren Cordain, who published the Paleo Diet book, outlining its principles and purported health benefits. The Paleo Diet is aimed at individuals who wish to eat more natural, nutrient-dense foods similar to what our ancestors might have consumed. It appeals to those looking to improve overall health, increase energy levels, and potentially lose weight by cutting out processed foods and focusing on whole foods. However, it can be restrictive, and individuals with specific dietary needs or health conditions should approach it with caution and consult a healthcare professional. A typical day on the Paleo Diet might start with breakfast featuring scrambled eggs with vegetables. Lunch could include a salad with mixed greens, grilled chicken, avocado, and olive oil dressing. Dinner might consist of a beef stir-fry with assorted vegetables like bell peppers and broccoli. For snacks, one might choose a handful of nuts or fresh fruit. 4. Mediterranean Diet. The Mediterranean diet is inspired by the traditional dietary patterns of people living in countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, such as Greece, Italy, and Spain. This diet emphasizes whole, plant-based foods, healthy fats, and moderate consumption of fish and poultry. Key components include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, with limited intake of red meat and sweets. It gained recognition through the work of Ancel Keys and other researchers in the mid-20th century, who linked it to improved heart health and longevity. This diet is suitable for individuals seeking a heart-healthy eating pattern that supports overall well-being. It is highly recommended for those looking to improve cardiovascular health, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and maintain a balanced, sustainable lifestyle. Its emphasis on variety and moderation makes it adaptable and sustainable for most people, without severe restrictions. Eating on the Mediterranean diet might begin with breakfast of Greek yogurt topped with honey, nuts, and fresh berries. Lunch could feature a whole-grain pita filled with falafel, hummus, and a variety of vegetables. Dinner may include grilled fish, such as salmon, served with a side of quinoa and steamed vegetables. Snacks could consist of olives or a handful of almonds. 5. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting, IF, is not a diet in the conventional sense, but rather an eating pattern that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. It has been practiced for centuries across various cultures, often for religious reasons. Its modern resurgence in popularity is attributed to researchers and doctors like Dr. Jason Fung, who has explored its potential health benefits, including weight loss and improved metabolic health. Intermittent fasting is suitable for individuals looking to simplify their eating habits, manage their weight, or improve metabolic health markers such as blood sugar and insulin sensitivity. It attracts those who prefer a flexible approach to eating, rather than restrictive meal plans. However, it may not be appropriate for everyone, including people with a history of eating disorders, pregnant women, or individuals with specific health conditions. While eating, it's still recommended to aim at consuming whole, unprocessed foods that provide balanced nutrition. With a popular 16-8 IF schedule, you don't eat anything for 16 hours, such as from 8 p.m. to noon the next day, and eat during an 8-hour window. Your first meal at noon could include a salad with grilled chicken, plenty of fresh vegetables, and avocado drizzled with olive oil. Around 4 p.m., a snack might consist of a handful of nuts or Greek yogurt with berries. Dinner, around 7 p.m., could feature a plate of roasted vegetables with a healthy protein source like fish or tofu, ensuring you're avoiding processed foods to maximize health benefits and nutrient intake. During fasting periods, staying hydrated is crucial, so consuming water, herbal teas, or black coffee is recommended. 6. Atkins Diet. The Atkins Diet is a low-carbohydrate eating plan developed by Dr. Robert Atkins in the 1960s. It aims to help individuals lose weight by reducing carb intake, which in turn encourages the body to burn stored fat for energy. The diet consists of 4 phases: induction, balancing, pre-maintenance, and lifetime maintenance. The initial phase involves cutting down carbohydrates to about 20 grams per day to kickstart ketosis, similar to the ketogenic diet, but becomes more flexible over time as it introduces more carbs back into the diet. This diet is aimed at individuals looking to lose weight, especially those who have struggled with more conventional low-fat diets. It may also benefit people managing metabolic conditions like prediabetes or insulin resistance by promoting stable blood sugar levels. However, this diet may not be suitable for everyone, particularly those with kidney issues or those who have difficulty managing high-fat food intake. The day might begin with breakfast of scrambled eggs with cheese and spinach. Lunch could be a salad with grilled chicken, avocado, and a creamy dressing. Dinner may consist of a grilled pork chop with a side of cauliflower mash and roasted broccoli. Snacks might include deli meats or a slice of cheese. Do you have any other diet that is worth mentioning? Feel free to leave a comment, and if you like this video, like and subscribe.